Okay, so let's say you get the mattress home, you do the at-home adjustments. Now you might want it even softer or firmer. This video is about how we solve that problem. So what we do is one of my technicians will come out. This is me just pushing on the mattress to show you that, you know, it's on the firmer side, but it needs to be changed. It wasn't firm enough, so we need to actually change the whole spring unit over to make the mattress even firmer. So I'm removing the mattress out of the way, putting the firmer spring on. Firmer spring is blue to show you that that's a firmer spring. And then the layers go back on, and that's how we'll do it. It takes only 5 minutes. We'll be in and out to do that. It's very easy. That can be done for the life of the mattress at any point. The first 2 are free, then we charge $50 per time. Sounds overwhelming. Don't worry, these videos are just to show you that it can be done. It's not to, you don't necessarily have to do much. It's a few things to remember. If it's not right, call us, we'll fix it. 2, you can easily adjust it by yourself at home anytime. If the at-home adjustments aren't enough, we'll send our guys. All of those things can be done at any time, forever. The reason why we do all these things, we just have all the components available in Marrickville. It's very easy for us to do. So as you can see, there's all these springs, all these components ready to go. Very easy, just figure out what component you need, take it in, put it out. It could be 10 years later, it could be 20 years later. We'll find a way to get it back to perfect condition for you.